Welcome back, everyone. These are some books that I had gotten through CGC a few months ago. A lot of them are from Morbius due to that movie coming up, so I'm holding on to these for now. So we got the Living Vampire Adventures into Fear number 27. Came back as a 9.4. I have another one. This is number 30. This one came back as a 9.4. Here I got a number 31. Came back as a 9.6. Very happy with that one. I thought it was going to come back a 9.2, 9.4. So 9.6. Not too bad. All these books I had picked it up in a local comic book shop at $3 a piece. So I had a real good deal on that. So I got a number 29 here. This one came back to 7.5. Also have here Moon Girl and Devil Dinosaur number 32. This one was a higher print run, but most of the series has been a very low print run. And my understanding, I heard that they're going to do a Moon Girl series on the Disney Plus streaming. So I got a few of these. This is the only one I have graded right now. I do have some extra ones I'm about to send in. First appearance of the Kingpin's daughter, Princess Fisk. 9.8. Here I got the next is the 1 in 50 Cosmic Ghost Rider number 1. This is the Brooks variant. Pretty sure he's about to show up in one of the movies soon, in the Cosmic ones, hopefully. So I'm hanging on to this one. I did have the Virgin one, but sold that one. But kept this one. Then I have the Silver Surfer one shot number 1, 9.6. This one's for my personal collection. Then up next is the Fantastic Four number 1 Virgin cover, the Comics Exposure edition. The Virgin cover. 9.8. And this one's the Frankie's Comics Virgin edition. This is Venom number 5 Virgin cover with Noel on the cover. It's a pretty cool cover. Then I picked this one up out of a collection that I bought from a local collector. It's a Submariner number 1 CGC blue label, one of the older labels, 8.0. Looking at it, and it don't look like it's ever been pressed. So I'm thinking about cracking it open and getting pressed and resubmitting it to CGC. It's a nice cover, nice blue cover. Pretty sharp, solid book. And also picked this one up from the same collector, old blue label, 9.2. Looked at it, don't look like it's been pressed either. This one's the number 32 Dark Horse. This one's the limited one, the special edition. They only made 1,000 copies of this one. The regular cover is a color cover. So it's a good one to get. Then from that same collector, I picked up this one, Logan's Run, number 6, the first Thanos solo story. This is another one from the same collector. Same one, CGC 6.0. And last but not least, what if Wolverine had killed the Hulk? Number 31, CGC 9.6. Got that one from the same collector. So this is the last one. I will be making another video soon. You all have a good day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.